Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another easy breezy eye makeup look using my Tartelette In Bloom palette. First, we're going to grab a thick, flat and fluffy brush and dip that into the colour Charmer. We use this to ensure it evens out your eyelids and primes your eyelids for the rest of the eyeshadows to come, so it's essentially a blank canvas for the rest of the colours to stand out and pop. Then we grab a light fluffy eyeshadow brush and dip that into 3 colours, and those colours are Flower Child, Jet Setter and Smarty Pants. These colours create a nice and natural contour, all the while being super easy to wear day to day. You can apply this eyeshadow using a windscreen wiper motion and make sure you blend, blend and blend. All these colours that I've used are matte eyeshadows and they're super easy to wear. Once that is done and you've continued blending, mix in a little bit of Sweetheart. This shade contains a little bit of pink so that it lightens and blends seamlessly into the brown colours that you've used. If you think you've applied too much, then grab your original fat fluffy brush and start blending once again. If you've applied too much of the shadows, then you can always lighten the centre of the lids using Funny Girl. This pearlescent shadow truly softens up your look and hides any over application of the darker shadows. You can apply this easily with your ring finger or using a brush of your choice. Once you're happy with that, you can then continue with contouring your crease using Jet Setter and Smarty Pants for a natural eyeshadow look. Next up, the all-important step of curling your eyelashes. I'm using here my trusty Shu Uemura lash curler. Lastly, it's our favourite mascara time. I'm using here my Too Faced Damn Girl mini-sized freebie I got in my Mecca Loop box recently. This mascara wand is unnecessarily large, but it does create more voluminous and longer lashes, as you can see. The only downside is that by the end of the day, you do get a bit of panda eyes, unfortunately. So as you can see, it was really that easy, and this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video and enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!